So we solve 3 problems because this is consecutive, and usually it's less. It's seldom to see the GRE math test contains this type of question. Because if you answer the first question wrong, that means you have a large chance that you may answer the third and the second and third question wrong if you answer the first question wrong. So basically, but this problem is answers it's easy, so maybe you guys feel easy that suppose that f be a function, then the graph is basically the same as circle, and the endpoint is a0 and b0. And so first he asks about this region. This is easy, that this region is pi times the area, pi r square, and the times half. So basically this is 1 over 8 pi over 8 and b minus a squared. So the answer is E. The answer is E. 29, y equal to 3 over x, and which one is correct? So basically, probably this is f of x, and we scale the y into 3 times larger. So basically, you will make it into ellipse. I suppose you have a circle, you shrink one, you amplify one directions, so it becomes ellipse. So the answer is C. The answer is C. So 29, you don't need to do any calculation. You just test your intuition. Okay, and 30. 30 is also stupid, that you already know this answer is f squared divided by 2, right? And plot a and b. But you know that f of b and f of a is 0. So f of b is 0 and f of a is 0. So f of b squared minus f of a squared is 0 minus 0 is 0. So the answer is A. The answer is A. That's it. Very simple. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time.